In this episode of Sailing Dark Angel, we're joined by our friends Andy and Nancy from SV Free Spirit. They bring us joy and batteries. With fresh batteries installed, it's time to celebrate. If you like our videos, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. It's free for you and really helps our channel. What are we doing today, Captain Dave?
Today we got guests coming aboard.
Yep, and what are they bringing?
Batteries.
They're bringing batteries!
But mostly they're bringing themselves.
Yes.
It's SV Free Spirit.
Mine not spitting in my eye?
Andy and Nancy, and they're just coming up the dock.
Go get them.
She's filming.
So, what are we doing today, Captain Dave?
We are ripping out the old batteries.
We're doing and we have help.
I'm working very hard. Dave, you're doing a great job. Keep it up. I just had a little bit.
That's the good stuff, man. That's the good stuff.
Just a little bit.
You guys have to come to our boat and check out our liquor cabinet.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, we'd be happy to do that. We're taking out the old batteries because Andy and Nancy brought us some new batteries, some new to us batteries, and with any luck, we'll have the power.
The question is, how many can we fit in there?
As many as will fit.
Did we bring the Crisco?
To them. And these are the batteries.
Astroglide, you're good.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Goodness, these guys.
Goodness is not involved.
This is true.
So basically, this is a battery party.
That wasn't the intention, but we were just happy you guys were coming to visit. We didn't know you were going to put us to fucking work.
Well, we couldn't bring you new toys without, using them.
Try not to be too scandalized, but I know you're all sweet and innocent.
Show me a sailor that's sweet and innocent.
Oh,
whatever.
I even put clean underwear on today.
If you burst into flame in my boat, I'm going to be pissed. I don't want to get struck by lightning. We've been avoiding it so far.
So far, so good. Again.
Here, wood. That's on it.
See, I told you there was wood. Should we test him how good of an editor he really is?
Oh dear.
I'm not saying the bad footage gets destroyed. I'm just saying it doesn't hit YouTube.
Blackmail?
Yeah, you got to make a buck somewhere.
And that's YouTube worthy. If you want more, smash that thumbs up, like and subscribe. Hit that bell. Every time you hit the bell out, comes more non-YouTube content.
Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, guys.
Oh no, don't be sorry.
And the Patron hasn't kicked in yet.
I'm enjoying myself here.
It's almost rum time.
Oh, it is.
Might have to go splurge on a bag of ice though.
Oh.
Our freezer is getting worse and worse and worse making ice. It's just not doing anything.
Yeah, I don't think
Our freezer is now the fridge, and the fridge is now just storage.
You want me to pull them out, Dave?
She's trying to whip it out. There's enough room now. I can actually put the battery in it.
Well, that's what I offered. Just to compare.
Oh goodness. So what do these weigh?
Those weigh about 90, I think about 96 pounds a piece.
A piece, and those weigh about
74.
Can we can take this weight, right? Dave?
Take it where?
Going to.
No, I'm like seriously.
Yes.
If there's a butt. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
You won't notice a difference.
Fucking hope so.
Yeah, it's only about. I've got duct tape in the truck. It's all good. And then if you want to move a little bit, well, electrical tape. It stretches.
You are
It's wide though. It's about the girth. It's width, right?
It's all about the width.
It is all about the weight.
It's about that 6 inches.
How many more to go?
3. Now He actually does electrical
Really?
work. I used to do electrical work. Now I don't even remember series and parallel.
You just red and black go together.
Not on the same connector.
Sure. Makes for a good time.
By the way, the batteries are all disconnected. You like those fans?
Yeah.
No, weird.
Any questions?
And the radio.
Yeah.
And the radio.
Yeah, you start
The radio's still going.
So why is the radio
Start batteries
going
are wired
and the
in
fans
somehow.
going when you have no power
That's
on?
We don't know.
That's minor detail.
The
Don't
fridge and
worry
freezer
about
are
it.
still on too.
Must be a
it's-
parallel switch.
It's magic.
Magic.
Somewhere.
Okay.
The selector. All right. So obviously,
These batteries, they're all physically disconnected.
yeah. So you're running off the start batteries.
I'm running off a starter battery or batteries. Yeah.
Or unless it's the solar backfeeding in. These are not getting any lighter.
That's what I was saying to Lisa earlier. That the more I take out of here, the heavier they get.
No one needs to know that, Andy.
Well. Okay, Lisa, clean that out.
Yeah, I'll get right on that. It was so hot
Captain
yesterday, and I'm on my hands and knees.
Whoa,
Well, that's a little
Whoa,
bit
wait
too
a
much
minute.
information.
What, Lisa?
She was found on her hands and knees.
Scrubbing the floor. What's it called?
Captain Dave,
Something glamorous.
Yo.
do you want me to put it in?
Yeah, but be gentle.
Oh.
All
Do
right.
you know how much I have to re-edit our videos?
All
for
this is
guy?
YouTube safe.
All right, slip it in.
Wait, okay, which way do you want it?
I think terminals to the starboard side.
Starboard, is that right or left? I'm dyslexic.
Yes.
Okay.
It is right or left, depending on which way you're facing.
Okay.
Slide it right to the back.
Do they need air between them?
I don't know. Yeah. Apparently.
Makes them work better.
So
Keeps the heat down.
Dave, can you turn that down?
I can turn it right off.
Thank you.
I thought I needed to
Stay.
Do they have a place where you guys can
Stay.
plug in to Do you have a generator you can run to kind of charge?
I can
Well,
try.
There's 3.
I don't trust my generator because it blows this circuit every time. But only under load.
4.
You work out today.
I was going to volunteer, but I thought maybe he'd take me up on it. So now if we slide this one forward, we might have room for one more, right? So we definitely have room for 6. I don't think we're gonna get more than that in there.
How many did you bring?
12.
12.
Okay.
6 at, what are these?
125.
125. And we had 8 at 116.
Oh. Tag, you're it.
I don't like that game. All right.
Start straight in the bottom.
Yeah, they're gonna need another foot now to clear everything.
Get you?
No, I just stabbed myself on the
Oh,
back
that's
of the
okay.
screw head. I think I can reach him to get at him physically.
Okay.
I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna connect him because there's a million different connections on these stupid things.
No, there's not. There's only 2 per battery.
Yeah. But coming off the boat, it's just a fucking mess. It's not 2 leads. It's not a feed to negative. It's a whole bunch
gotta-
of feeds. It's a whole bunch of. It's,
I've got electrical tape. We just take them all together.
I'm pretty sure I worked with you when I was an electrician.
And if you want, I've got zip ties. We can clean it up.
Did you do Cambrian mold?
What could possibly go wrong?
Well,
It'll
don't
buff.
want to explode.
It'll buff out.
this one time at electrical camp, power feeds.
There's no more room for you guys to add more batteries under here and
No, this is
No.
all. This is all.
This is full. Yeah, this is the AC system here, and it's packed. We had to take the control panel up off the floor because the AC system doesn't drain properly, so it builds up water, and it would short out our boat. It's the same size.
Why would it be?
Yeah, of Probably 14s.
14. What's 14?
Millimeters.
What's that?
It's the size of this screw head, bolt head.
Oh, I don't know millimeters. Sorry.
It's,
I keep forgetting you're Canadian.
It's about
We're Canadian, eh?
9/16.
Hey.
It's about 9/16.
Oh, about?
If I remember right.
Yep.
Yeah, it's 9/16.
They're Chinese batteries, so they're probably metric.
They're metric. That's why I grabbed the metric. What? Is it lunchtime?
Yeah.
And I don't have a drink in my hand?
My belly says it's lunchtime.
Well, as soon as you energize your life a little bit,
What time?
11.
it's 5 o'clock somewhere.
But that's in metric.
But
Nice! Nice! As you know, we're on sailing vessel Dark Angel. They are from Canada. And I've learned a lot since we've been on the boat already. And by the way, if you're not following already, go down in the description below. We're going to put a link to their YouTube channel. And you've got, I mean, Dave, really? He's almost as gray as I am. So how could you not subscribe to it? Hit that, you know, go subscribe to their channel. It's a must. But see, I learned that this is like 6 millimeters. But I told Dave that was 6 inches. So, you know, again, if you want more of this stuff, go subscribe to their channel because, you know, we got to teach Dave, well, Lisa. Okay, so.
Oh, I need more alcohol.
oh, we haven't even started drinking.
Yeah, we haven't even started drinking yet. Oh my gosh.
That's an amateur move.
Are you done screwing with your nut yet?
No, I can't get started. 2-aught cable's not as flexible as it looks.
That's not what she said.
Well, she doesn't know any better. She only knows what I tell her.
Fall off the stool.
Just tortures me.
And you like it.
We've got 4 of the 6 batteries hooked up. We've only got room for 6 of the 12, so we're gonna hook up 6. We have 2 more to go, but everybody's hungry, so we're gonna go get food. We need the settings for these batteries, because right now I've got them set up for the AGM.
Just 2, 4, 3, 7, 27.
Say that again?
Everything stayed on.
So here's the deal. We have all the solar. We have all the solar shut off. There's no solar power coming in at all right now. We're running on 4 batteries. And we've got the computer on, so you're seeing 140 some odd watts of draw, 170, whatever. You got some draw happening over here. Here we've got no charging, of course, because there's no shore power. But everything's working. We still have the same issue that we had before with the generator blowing the 1 circuit under load. So that's the last thing we have to fix. We have 2 more batteries to hook up, and then we'll have 6, and that's all there's really room for in that space. And I don't think I have room on the boat for the rest. Although if I do, I'll find it. So yeah, we've got 2 more batteries to hook up, and then we're rocking.
We were all starving, so we wandered up to Rocco's Tacos. Sitting in the air-conditioned Rocco's Tacos, drinking pitchers of margaritas, I was scared to leave the restaurant because it's so hot outside. I knew my stomach would start to turn, and it did. Nancy and I made a beeline to the fountain to cool off. The iPhone is so hot, the camera is glitching.
I'm wearing bikini top, so what do I care?
What t-shirt got that?
Woo! My boobs are bigger. Yes. Oh, that feels so good. You really need to try that. Yeah. It's so nice. It's so cool.
All right, we're back from way too much food and a little bit too much margaritas. So we took a little break, and then we finished hooking this all up. And we now have about 750 amp hours of sealed lead acid batteries, mildly used, but the price was right. Thank you, Nancy and Andy from SV Free Spirit. Now we can go back to work, and we can like buy refrigerated and frozen food and stuff. So awesome.
So our good friend showed up today and saved our butts. They brought batteries, and now the batteries installed and they're working great.
and now we can continue on with our lives without having to shut down early. So me and my girl here are having some great times and partying it up, and wish you guys were here.
More cocktails.
Yeah.